Hey, Scott Grove here. I'm at the Marc School of Woodworking in Indianapolis, and in this week's class we're doing asymmetrical matching, which is a little different from normal veneer work where you book match. So we're doing spiral match veneering. So really exciting, and what I like about this process is it just allows you to make something that almost looks natural but not, and which then makes you question your work. So the students are working with various veneers and doing different matches. Here's sort of a donation ribbon, masw, and having a lot of fun with this. So it's the first day of class. It's always a challenge getting everybody going, and I am confident that by the end of the week, they're all gonna have a wonderful spiral match project. So I love working here at Marc. Besides wonderful students, there's also top quality professors or students and teachers. So everybody learns from everybody else. I learn stuff from the students, I learn stuff from the other students. Marc's always a wealth of knowledge. It's just a great place to come, live, learn, little mini vacation if you will, and looking forward to the week coming up. So if you've never been here, come and check it out.